Hey, this is AJ with Paper J Designs. Today we're going to be making the paper cutout for Charmander for this upcoming Pokemon Go Community Day for October. To start with, we're going to be repurposing a lot of these pieces of paper. I'm just trying to make the most out of all the materials that we've got. So let's just go ahead and dive right in. So we've got Charmander here. I try to make sure that the pieces that are the same color are squeezed together so that I'm using as little of the paper as possible and repurposing it much like I am today. So let's go ahead and start with the outline, and then we'll work on what's at the top on our way down. To take a moment before I get to the big parts of the colors and work on the Charmander cutout itself. So I've got this eye, but it's kind of a separate piece, so we can work on it on its own. I like to have a scrap piece of paper that I can use. And there you have it. That's Charmander as a paper cutout. This has been AJ from Paper J Designs. Until the next video, stay creative.